Are you looking for a way to stay ahead of industry trends without spending hours researching? In this video, I'll show you how to use Browse AI to track emerging industry trends, and it's a lot easier than you might think. Stick around, because by the end, I'll also share how you can use this software for free and get exclusive bonuses. Browse AI is a tool that allows you to track and analyze data from websites automatically. It's perfect for monitoring new trends, whether you're looking at competitors, industry news, or even consumer behavior across various markets. The real power of Browse AI is its ability to scrape, track, and organize data from websites in real time, which makes it incredibly valuable for digital marketers, business owners, and analysts. To get started, you'll want to create a new robot or tracking agent inside Browse AI. This process is intuitive and doesn't require any coding knowledge. You simply point the software to the web pages you want to track, and Browse AI will pull relevant data. This could include pricing, product details, blog content, or even social media updates. With Browse AI, you can automate the entire process of gathering information, saving you hours of manual work. Once you've set up your robot, you can easily customize it to track specific data points that matter to your business. For example, if you're in e-commerce, you could track competitor product launches and pricing changes. For marketers, tracking emerging keywords or trending blog topics could give you a leg up on your content strategy. You can also set up alerts for when there are significant changes to the data you're tracking, so you'll always be the first to know when trends shift. Browse AI also lets you export your tracked data into various formats, making it easy to analyze or share with your team. This makes it ideal for reporting on market shifts or making data-driven decisions quickly. One of the coolest features of Browse AI is its ability to track even dynamic content, like social media updates or real-time stock prices, without any additional work on your part. It's like having a personal assistant that works 24/7 to bring you the data that matters most. And here's the best part. You can try Browse AI completely free right now with the exclusive offer I've linked below. That's right. You get access to all of these features and more without paying a dime. But wait, stick around until the end because I've got an extended free trial just for you. Using Browse AI to track emerging industry trends is a game changer for staying ahead of the curve. You don't have to worry about manually checking dozens of websites every day. Let the software do the hard work for you so you can focus on growing your business and capitalizing on new opportunities. To wrap up, if you want to give Browse AI a try with an exclusive extended free trial, make sure to check out the link in the description. It's a powerful tool for anyone serious about tracking industry trends and staying competitive. Don't miss out on this offer. Click the link below now.